How to schedule recording start time on Insta360 X5. Scroll down to your control panel. Swipe all the way towards the left. Go to Timed Capture. Now, turn on the toggle first. Now, once you do so, first of all, just go to Start Time. From here, you can select the time where you want to select your scheduled timed capture option. Now, if you go back, now you can set duration as well. Let's tap on it. Now you can choose duration accordingly. You can also select on infinite option. For now, I'm going to choose on 15 minutes. Now let's go back. Now you can go to Repeat Frequency option. You can choose once or every day. Then again, if you go back, you can go to Shooting Mode. You can choose the mode accordingly. Go to Single Lens and then set the option according to your preferences. Now again, if you go back, you can see shooting parameters. You can choose resolution and then frame rate as well. Now again, if you go back, you'll see image parameters. Now tap on it. From here, you can modify the settings accordingly. You can tap on this M option and then you can see various settings available. Once you do so, you will be able to schedule recording start time on Insta360 X5. Now just tap on Got It. Now on top, you can see a stopwatch icon. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.